Some people struggle to make decisions, but if you're someone who tends to overthink, the harder part often comes after. You make the decision, and then your brain refuses to believe it's final. Has this ever happened to you? In this video, we're looking at a quiet habit that causes smart, capable people to keep reopening decisions long after they're finished. You'll see why the mind does this even when nothing actually went wrong, and how this pattern slowly weakens trust in your own judgment. By the end of the video, you'll understand why you can't stop thinking about a decision long after it's made, and the exact moment where that loop can be interrupted. And you'll walk away knowing how to recognize when your mind is reopening something that's already done, and how to finally let it settle. The meeting ends. The message is sent. The conversation is finished. On the surface, everything appears normal, but within seconds, the mind quietly reopens the moment. A sentence you said begins to feel uncertain. The timing of a response suddenly seems questionable. This is what overthinking looks like in real time. A small expression on someone's face starts to look like a signal you might have missed. Nothing actually went wrong, yet the brain begins examining the scene as if the outcome is still undecided. For people who can't let decisions rest, the real mental work begins after the decision has already been made. The pattern often begins with something small. An email that was ready to send suddenly needs one more adjustment. A sentence is softened, then rewritten, then reconsidered entirely. You tell yourself you're just being careful, but really you're stuck in your head. Minutes pass, and the message slowly becomes something different from the original thought. The strange part is that the effort feels responsible. It feels like careful thinking, but underneath the editing, something subtle begins to form, the quiet belief that the original decision could not be trusted on its own. The second version of the loop often appears after conversations. Hours later, the mind reconstructs the exchange, as if reviewing security footage. One sentence is examined from multiple angles. A laugh from the other person is studied for hidden meaning. If you're someone who replays conversations long after they're over, this part will feel familiar. Even neutral reactions begin to feel suspicious. The mind believes it is solving a problem, but the conversation ended long ago. The only thing still moving is the analysis. After enough of these loops, something deeper begins to change. The brain slowly stops trusting the person who made the decision in the first place. That person was you, 10 minutes ago or yesterday afternoon, but the mind begins treating them like someone whose judgment still needs supervision. This is where overthinking becomes mentally exhausting. So the replay continues, not because the decision was wrong, but because the brain is quietly asking a deeper question. Can I trust myself to decide things at all? And the more often the mind revisits finished moments, the harder it becomes to feel certain about the next decision that arrives. Every replay begins with the same quiet thought. Maybe I should check that again. For people who are always in their head, that thought feels automatic. The moment is reopened, and the cycle begins again. But there is a brief moment before the loop fully restarts. A moment where you can actually see what the brain is about to do. The mind isn't solving a new problem, it's reopening an old one. And once that pattern becomes visible, something begins to change. A decision does not become stronger by being reopened. It becomes stronger when the mind finally allows it to stand. The decision was made with the information available at the time. The moment is already complete. Nothing useful will appear by reviewing it again. If your mind tends to replay conversations or decisions long after they end, you can download the 5-minute mental replay interrupt below. It's a short process that helps the brain recognize when a moment is finished and shift attention forward again. And the next time your mind begins reopening a decision that has already been made, pause for a moment. Take a breath and remind yourself of something simple. Let the decision stand.